What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currency at 0.02565. We're up 9%, almost 10% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 902 million, 24-hour volume 143 million. So this is exactly what we were expecting to happen, a bear trap and pushing back up to this resistance. So if we get rejected here, we pull back. I would expect you to come down and retest the wedge at 0.02293 before continuation. If we just explode to the upside, then your way through target is 0.03568. As you can see here on the daily, we broke out of the inverse head and shoulders that we were watching. Once again, going to see the bullish cross on the daily EMAs. So this target for this inverse head and shoulders will take you all the way up to 0.04411. Breakout, possibly pull back to retest and then see continuation. We do have major resistance at 0.034. That's right around my break even at 0.033 on our friend Gala Games. So that's what I'm looking at for our friend Gala in the short term. If we get rejected here, then that's your first impulse to the upside, and you would look for a pullback, which could take you down in between 0.02161 and 0.01913. Pull back wave 2, but I think there's a good chance we bounce right around that trend line, see continuation. If we just explode from the upside, it's very possible in the bull market, then the way through target is up here at 0.03568. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. This is where I'm doing my trading, one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. You can use BITUNIX all around the world. When you sign up through my link at the top of the comments, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. You can check out my full length tutorial. Join my free Discord. We have almost 3,000 members, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups for crypto and Forex, and one of our members is giving trade signals every single day. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.